Welcome. In front of me I have a Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the crown button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it, look for the watch face you are interested in, and once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also open the watch face menu through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, press the crown button, scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, tap on it, then tap on watch face and home, and hit tap on watch face. It will open the watch face menu. You can again scroll through the list, find something you like, and you can tap on it to select it and apply it. But you can also customize the watch faces. So for example, as you can see, the watch faces have this custom button under them. You can tap on it, and this allows you to change the style of the watch face, for example. This one actually, because every watch face has different types of customization. This one has the style. So we have, I believe, dark mode and bright mode, and then we have the color, and then we have the functions. So basically the I would call them widgets. You can tap on each box right here and select the data you want to be displayed on your screen. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to apply the changes and apply the watch face on your watch. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the Huawei Health application to change the watch faces. So I'm gonna bring my phone that is paired with this watch, unlock the screen on it, close this for now, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, a bit more, okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we need to open the Huawei Health application. In the app, we need to tap on the devices, and then you should see your Huawei Watch Fit Pro on the list, and under it there should be watch faces. It's possible you're missing this option, and I believe one of the fixes could be that, or rather one of the reasons that it's missing is it could be that because you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. Basically, when you install the Huawei Health application for the first time, you were prompted to select a region, service region, and you could have selected that region that does not support it. At least that's my theory. And one thing you could try to fix this is to reinstall the application, select a different region. For example, I'm using a United Kingdom, and then pair your watch again with it, and hopefully that will fix your problem. And once you see the watch faces, you can tap on more. And here you have a store. You can basically find the watch face you would like to install and download it. So you can download additional watch faces on your watch. So for example, if we select the category 3 for now and tap on something, maybe this one, you can simply tap on install, and it will install the watch face and apply it on your watch. Like this. But you can also change the watch face from the watch faces already installed on your watch. And to do that, go to main page of the store, tap on mine, then tap on my faces, and tap on manage local watch faces. It will open the list of watch faces installed on your watch. You can tap on the watch face you like, and then tap on apply, and it will be applied on your watch. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.